of consciousness in terms of the constitution of the world. This is another important keyword, the constitution of the world. But what does it mean? This is also very difficult. And then no clear consensus has been made among scholars. And then, yes, like, what do you think? Husserl's direct disciple, yes, Husserl's conception of constitution is always singing, changing, and then never be decided, defined. And then H.G. Grant, even excellent scholars, are always questioning themselves. What is the philosophy in the first place? What is phenomenology? This is the current situation of phenomenology. I want to, as a phenomenologist, yes. And then today I want to propose one idea how to read. For example, the idea of phenomenology. And then yes. How does the immanence and transcendence schema elucidate the enigma of cognition? That conception of transcendence holds the key, I think. When we interpret transcendence as belief, conviction are free. I call it belief here. In general, belief in general, phenomenological reduction becomes the theory of elucidating the condition and the structure of belief formation. Condition and structure of belief. In what conditions we can constitute? We can constitute that belief can be constituted in our mental process. Like, and then the constitution of the world means here the constitution of the general belief, general validity of the world. That is, taking Husserl at his words, the general positive of the world. The general positive of the world is a very, very famous word, and in ideas, the most important word. We should elucidate the conditions of the general positive of the world he stressed. And then, okay, once more, this is a subject-object schema. Yes, natural part. And then we must abandon this schema. And, okay, this is a schema of immanence and transcendence in terms of the world knowledge. And then one point, what is important, which is important, we should take note is here. He stressed the realm of immanence is always indubitable, doubtless. But in the realm of transcendence, the transcendence always dubitable. And modifiability is the essence of transcendence. This is a key. This is a very important point, but difficult to understand. What does he mean? My proposal is we should, how about thinking that the dubitability or modifiability of transcendence, the validity or belief. And then, but just remember, this is the immanence transcendence schema is a key point, and we should temporarily, the transcendence means belief in general, and how does the immanence transcendence schema elucidate the enigma of cognition? How does the idea of the general belief of the world elucidate the enigma of cognition? And when we regard the transcendence as belief, we can make three stages of validity. We can three items of beliefs in general. One is subjective belief. It means one's own belief, one's own faith, conviction, but no one can share it. In the case of schizophrenia, yes, the hallucination of feeling, the visual hallucination, and seeing a ghost by one's own, then this is a subjective belief. Only one's belief. No one can share. And then second one is communal belief. We have a lot of communal beliefs. Then between two or among three or many people, belief among two or three or many. Yes, illusion of absolute love or young men and women. Legends of saviors. The gods of the people. World religion. Yes, they are the communal beliefs. Okay, then shared by many people, but it cannot reach to the universal. Then we can see the second item and third item we can call the intersubjective validity. Okay, then among communal beliefs, some have the condition of reaching to the universal belief. I think the realm of natural science, yes, it has a wide range of universal understanding. And then mathematics, and some principles of philosophy of logic, like philosophy or Russell, the legitimacy of democracy, the membership of humans and in contemporary world, equality of men and women, and then universal order of the good and the evil in the society, culture, and then order of everyone can agree. And then we can figure out the conditions. Yes, and Husserl, I suppose Husserl, what he wanted to say, and we can figure out the conditions of why the achievement of natural science has reached the universal knowledge. Why world religion cannot extend to the universal understanding. And then eidetic description means at least the condition and the structures of how can we create the universal knowledge of the object in general, I think. And then, for example, from this viewpoint, every knowledge, every faith, everything is subjective. Yes, we all have our own world view, our own world knowledge, or our own life world. And then a part of them we can share very strictly. And then, yes, like that, and a lot of views, like each person has his one's cap. Then, yes, this is the realm of C, and I'd say the possible realm of common belief, the common understanding, the realm of natural science or mathematics. We can share it, but it has taken a long time in the modern process. We can we could create, and we have created the possible realm, common belief. It means the modern science. Then when you read the crisis Husserl describes in detail how the possible frame has been created. Okay, this is the realm C, but the realm X. This is the realm having difficulty with strict common belief, common understanding. Sometimes we have a very different view, different religion, different human view, and world view, different aesthetic effect. Then it